So gold is trading below 4500, and we can see that the structure of the market is bearish. The gold is trying to recover, but we can clearly see the weakness on the chart. So if you are holding any sell position right now, then you can hold your sell position, because there is a possibility that we will see further downside on the chart of gold. As we all know, that direction of the market is always determined by the fundamentals, and right now the fundamentals are also not helping gold. If you look at the market sentiment, you can see gold holds decline on US Iran tensions. Gold today below 4500 announced on Wednesday after tumbling nearly 2% in the previous session, and escalating tension between the US and Iran kept investors focused on inflation risk and prospect of higher interest rates. So this is the main reason why gold is under pressure. If you look at the daily chart of gold, then the daily chart of gold is still very much bullish. So if you're a positional trader, okay, if you are an investor, then obviously, okay, you are a buyer, and every dip is an opportunity for you. But if you are a swing trader, or if you are a day trader, then obviously you need to follow the current market sentiment. This is the hourly chart, and we can clearly see the hourly chart is showing that the market is bearish. So as a day trader, it is better and safer for us to be on the sell side as of now. Okay, until and unless gold crosses 4600, okay, the market sentiment will be bearish for us, because we are traders, so we need to be flexible. Okay, so if market crosses this particular level or the blue box here, then only the structure will change again, unless gold is under pressure. So let's discuss the trading opportunities for the day. So yesterday, whatever we discussed, okay, we got nice opportunities to make money. Okay, hope you guys made good profit yesterday. So today, the important level for us is 4450, the black line at the bottom, okay, where right now market is trying to take support. This is the level where you can look for a sell position. So during the day, if market consolidates, then there's a high chance that just like yesterday, market will drop. If market drops below 4450, we can look for a sell position below it. As we all know, 4500 is a crucial level, so there is a possibility that market may try to go up again. Okay, so if that happens, as a day trader, we can look for a sell position around 4500, 4505, but keep in mind 4500 is a crucial level. So if you see strong price rejection from above, then only hit the sell button. Okay, so 4500 is a crucial level, and if market drops below 4450, we can look for a sell position below it. But keep in mind, just like yesterday, consolidation will play an important role. If market starts consolidating, then only hit the sell button, because without consolidation there is a possibility of liquidity grab. Okay, and 45005 is the first resistance. Okay, the second resistance is around 452530. Remember yesterday's support, okay, below which we took a sell position, the same level, okay, the same level, the same support zone will act as the new resistance. So this is our R2. If market goes up, then we can look for a sell position below it. And then at the top we have 4560. 4560 is far away. As of now, let's just focus on 450005 and 4525, 4530. And the daily closing is going to be very, very important, because if market really wants to go up again, if buyers, okay, if they really want to take the market up, अगर वो market को ऊपर ले जाना चाहते हैं, they need to take the market above 4500. Okay, because if market breaks 4450, then market will head towards 4100, 4200. Okay, so market is in a crucial zone. Let's wait and watch. So overall, the market sentiment is bearish. So if you have any ongoing sell, you can hold your sell position. If you're looking for new positions in the market, then it's better to be on the sell side only. And during the day, if market tries to go up, 450005 is going to play a major role. Okay, if market suddenly recovers, if market goes up with big green candles, that's a different story. But otherwise, if market shows price rejection from above around 450005, we can consider it as a resistance. First resistance R1, we can look for a sell position below it. Second resistance is around 452530. Okay, that same support that will be working as the new resistance.